If you have tuna, I'm going to show you how to make this super quick meal, which is one of the most common dishes in Ecuador. For this, you will need the following ingredients. First, you're going to cut the onion into thin strips. To reduce its strong flavor and make it easier to digest, you will need to cure it, and this is very simple. In a bowl, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of salt and white sugar, then cover the onions with water. I started with this small bowl, but it was too small, so I had to switch to a bigger one and add more sugar and salt because I had a lot of onions. Then mix everything well for a few seconds until it feels a bit slimy. The longer you let it sit, the better. I will leave this here and continue with the rest of the food. This dish tastes great with avocado, so I will be adding some as well, but that's optional. The rice was already cooked, but it was in the fridge. If you notice that your rice is hard, take the portion you will eat and separate it with your hands. Don't try to do it with a spoon because it's harder. Once done, add a little water and heat it in a pot or in the microwave. The water helps to prevent the rice from drying out and makes it fluffier. Now I rinse the onions with water, but don't just let the water run over them. It's important to use your hands to remove the excess that the onions released. This meal tastes great with tomatoes, onion, green peppers, and potatoes, but I will only be using the first 2 vegetables and skipping the potatoes. The tomatoes are diced, and if you don't know how to cook vegetables in this way, I have tutorials on my channel. I add a bit of salt, lime juice, and mix everything well. Now in a bowl, I mix the tuna with the 2 vegetables, taste it before serving, and that's it. The meal is ready.